how to reset the keyboard custom symbols on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down and then tap on Custom Symbols. Next, tap on Reset. And that will reset your keyboard custom symbols back to the factory default. So here you can see if I mess it up, I can tap on the reset button and that will reset everything back to the default. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you touch and hold on the full stop key, that will show the custom symbols and you should see it reset back to the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.